Now I've completed this simulation. I can either hit return and you'll see that the characters no longer pull, or I can hit reset and that clears the whole thing. So the next experiment, we take a character and let's put them on the second knot again, and we take the same size character, and originally we put it here, but now let's put it on this knot and see if it makes a difference. What do you predict is going to be the motion of the cart? Once you're done, hit go and actually observe what happens to the motion of the cart, and then hit sum of forces so that you can record the sum of the forces. You can also hit values to see what force this blue character pulls and what force this red character pulls.